Okay guys, bear with me. I've never shot a video like this, so let's see if we can get through it. Thanks to GM, the exhaust tips on these trucks are a pain in the ass to remove or install from underneath the bumper. But if you remove the steps, they're a breeze. So I'm going to show you how I removed the steps and how I installed the tips. So here, I'll show you the tip first. Just got these back from Powder Coat. These are factory tips that I had coated. They turned out really well. If anybody's interested, that is called Black Satin Texture from Prismatic Powders. It's an awesome finish, really durable and super easy to clean. The tools that I used to do everything: 1/4 inch ratchet with a T15 Torx bit, a 7mm wrench, 7mm socket screwdriver, little pry bar, and a 10mm socket screwdriver. Basically, you remove the step first and then the pocket, and then you can access the 3 bolts. Super easy. You can use pretty much any tool you want with a 10mm socket. Come over here. Just gonna give you a little rundown. All right, first you want to remove the 7mm bolts. There's, oh, watch my finger. There's one here, one up here, and then one right there. After you remove that, come out here, tug on the step, and it'll pop right out. There's a couple clips pulled out at an angle to help get it out better. After that's removed, there are 3 T15 Torx bits on top, and then there's 2 that you can't see right now that are underneath the step. Once those are out, again, pull at an angle, at like a 30-degree angle out away from the truck to pull the pocket out. Once that's out, you can access everything you need to access. Install your tip or remove the tip, and then repeat the process to put everything back together. So hopefully that helps out, and I'll post some pictures after I get everything back together.